It's hard to imagine the world of superyachts without tenders. They are being used to transfer guests to stay connected with land while the boat stays anchored, or to wash and to polish the exterior, or to supply provisions anytime needed as a crew member, whether you are a deckhand, or chef, or stewardess. You need to be qualified and certified to drive a small powerboat or dinghies and rigid inflatable boats, RIB. This unique capability makes you a preferable crew member during an interview and your career as well. In UAE water, you are required to obtain a 12-meter boat license in order to drive your own boat, or a commercial marine craft under 12-meter. IYT Small Powerboat and RIB Master. This course provided by Marine Concept is accredited and recognized by MCA of Great Britain and the Government of UAE, which is FMA Federal Maritime Authority and DMCA Dubai Maritime City Authority Oswell. This course is an excellent opportunity for a crew to get the space level qualification and for better career. This course takes 2 days. 1 day of theory covering elements of safety, rules, buoys, knots and more. And 1 day of practical training. You will learn essential techniques such as berthing, practical rope work, maneuvering, steering by compass, man overboard, anchoring and more, which is conducted on our Golfcraft Marine 31 Zara or Silvercraft 38 Gaviota. And then you can do the exam in our classroom. After exam you get your IYT Small Powerboat and RIB Master approved certificates that let you drive a powerboat up to 15-meter internationally. However, each government of each country sets the regulations for their national water. The government can decide which license or certificate from other countries are accepted. They can also change the limitations for their national water, which means, in UAE water restricted to 12 meter and must be converted to DMCA or FMA small powerboat driving license. If you want to rent a boat in Mediterranean Sea, it makes sense to have an International Certificate of Competence, ICC, which is based on your IYT certificate and your nationality. We are expecting to see you here at Marine Concept to be your master. For inquiry, call hotline 0559603030 and landline 0439588022. Location: Al Barsha Business Center, Office 611, Dubai. We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. Thank you.